We've talked about Impossible Foods on the program before. Well, they're back, and this time debuting plant-based chicken nuggets this fall. As with its past releases, the startup plans to first sell the food to restaurants, with supermarket availability to follow later on. One thing that will distinguish the nuggets from Impossible's past products is the absence of heme. That's a molecule that the company says is what makes meat taste like meat. But the problem with Impossible's heme is that the company makes it with genetically engineered yeast. That's something that has prevented Impossible from selling its burgers and sausages in China and throughout Europe. But when it comes to real chicken, there isn't a lot of heme in the white meat of an animal. We found in a nugget format, which is breaded and has some seasoning, it really wasn't all that necessary. That comes from Laura Killman, a flavor scientist with Impossible. The formula the company eventually settled on mostly makes use of soy protein and sunflower oil. Compared to Beyond Meat, Impossible Foods is late to offer a chicken alternative. We've been busy with other things. That comes from Dennis Woodside, the company's president, in an interview with Bloomberg. To that point, Impossible introduced a pork substitute at CES 2020. All the same, that might not matter much. Earlier this week, Popeyes announced it was adding chicken nuggets to its menu in hopes of replicating the success of its chicken sandwich. That later sparked a war between fast food chains as demand for chicken increased in the US and throughout the world. That's something that could actually help Impossible when its plant-based chicken starts making its way to consumers sometime in the fall.